These are things that will happen if you have this half moon on your palms. If you're curious about the mysterious half moon sign on your palm, then this video is for you. Join me as we dive into the fascinating realm of palmistry, exploring the secrets behind this enchanting lunar emblem and how it shapes your life and destiny. We'll unravel the profound impacts and vibrations associated with the moon or half-moon sign formed by the heart line. To find out if you possess this celestial crescent, simply connect Johann's heart lines and observe if they form a seamless continuous line. Now let's address some common queries. Is it rare to have a crescent moon sign on your palm? Yes, it's a rarity, a radiant gem bestowed upon the fortunate few. If you possess the symbol of lunar grace, magical moments are likely to grace your existence. This video is dedicated to all of you with the crescent moon adorning your palm. Let's get started. The astrology of the moon holds tremendous significance, encompassing numerous positive aspects of life. First and foremost, the presence of a crescent moon indicates a remarkably stable mindset. Those who possess this lunar symbol rarely struggle with anger issues or excessive hyperactivity. Emotional equilibrium and stability permeate their lives, and they possess a genuine care and concern for others. Whether it's in the realms of work, home, or friendships, they handle relationships with profound sensitivity. Unlike individuals governed by defensive zodiac signs like Aries, Leo, Capricorn, those with a half-crescent moon tend to exhibit fewer defensive tendencies. The moon governs the nurturing sign of Cancer, and there's a strong connection between people with this moon shape and the signs of Cancer, Aquarius, or Sagittarius. A significant impact of this lunar influence is a balanced mind, embodying peace, and an aversion to unnecessary conflicts. Imagine a world where everyone possessed this moon sign. It could potentially reduce wars and disputes, nurturing an environment of love and humanity. To determine if you bear the half-crescent moon, join both palms from the heart line, ensuring your hands remain straight without bending. Keep your palms at a 45-degree angle, allowing for clear assessment. Please note that sometimes individuals tend to analyze this line by bending their palms or looking downwards, which may hinder an accurate reading. It is essential to maintain a straight palm and a 45-degree angle to discern the presence of the beautiful half-moon formation on your heart line. Secondly, should you possess this lunar configuration, it also signifies a highly romantic disposition. This moon symbolizes a strong inclination to stabilize relationships, particularly in the context of marriage. It indicates a favorable married life, promising prosperity, joy, and happiness. If you are currently unmarried or seeking love and partnership, this sign serves as a clear indicator that your life and fortunes will undergo transformation following marriage. Creativity and creative thoughts are deeply associated with the moon and its planetary counterpart, Chandra, in Vedic astrology. Ever gaze upon the moon and sense an overwhelming peace? It has the power to radiate tranquility and fill you with joy, regardless of the day's trials and tribulations. When the night sky unveils a full, magnificent moon, an enchanting aura encompasses your life, infusing the moment with extraordinary magic. It's no wonder that countless romantic songs and movies pay homage to the moon, Chandramadhav. Old or new, these songs evoke a sense of peace as its gentle glow graces the night. Thus, when you bear this sign onto a poem, it signifies a life blessed with serenity. Additionally, as the moon is interconnected with creativity, you are bestowed with a perpetual flow of out-of-the-box thinking and innovative ideas. Your path to success intertwines with numerous individuals in your life. The conventional 9-to-5 job doesn't align with your calling. Instead, you possess a yearning for creative pursuit beyond the norms of societal expectations. You may find yourself engaged in a highly imaginative or innovative vocation, deterring from the conventional career landscape. If you are finding value in this, please like the video, subscribe, then drop a comment. Thirdly, let's explore the significance of full moon days for those with this moon sign. These days possess immense importance and auspiciousness in your life. Occurring monthly, there are 12 full moon days in a year. During these moments, a natural surge of energy fills the air, leaving you exhilarated and delighted. Meditating on full moon days aids in balancing your emotions and inviting greater joy into your life. People with this sign often carry vibrant energies, exuding an overall sense of vitality. Harnessing the power of a full moon day can prove beneficial when embarking on new and essential endeavors. Allow me to share one of the most significant remedies for those with a half-moon shape on their palms. Embrace full moon days for important ventures. Full moon days symbolize the moon, Chandramadav, representing feminine energy, Shakti, and boundless creativity. It is an auspicious period to embark upon various endeavors, bringing forth the energy of the divine feminine into your life. Now let's explore the fourth aspect related to this unique sign. The Hoffman crescent on both palms signifies a remarkable level of independence in your daily life. You embody a proactive and self-reliant nature, rarely depending on others for even minor tasks or major decisions. This sense of independence often translates into strong leadership qualities, contributing to your overall success in various facets of life. The presence of the crescent moon formation upon holds the promise of flourishing career prospects, successful relationships, and overall well-being. However, I'm currently delving deeper into the potential health implications of this sign, specifically regarding cholesterol and blood pressure conditions. While initial observations have shown some correlations, further research is necessary to explore the realms of health and medical astrology. I encourage you to continue sharing your experiences and thoughts regarding this beautiful sign. Personally, I hold great admiration for the positive indications it brings to various aspects of life. It symbolizes a wealth of career opportunities, thriving marriages, and harmonious family connections. However, it is vital to remain mindful of potential health concerns associated with cholesterol and blood pressure, particularly during the full moon phase. It is advisable to take precautions and prioritize your health if you possess this sign. Note that additional symptoms related to health issues may also manifest, although they will not be discussed in this video. I may consider creating a separate video dedicated to exploring health issues attributed to the half-moon sign, as further research is still underway. Nonetheless, the four definitive aspects associated with this sign remain: promising career prospects, stable and fulfilling marriages, a creative and emotional approach to life, and a sense of independence, all of which contribute to becoming a positive and compassionate individual, fostering good karma. There are various variations to this specific sign. For instance, if you find a star positioned above the moon, it is deemed even more auspicious. If you have at least one star above the moon, it is considered highly propitious. If you possess 2 stars, one on each palm, it signifies that your purpose in this life is to accomplish something substantial and extraordinary, a feat that none of your family members, previous generations, or ancestors have achieved. It represents breaking free from the ordinary and sparking a new manifestation that will permeate future generations. Individuals with a strong moon often attract loving and supported partners, be it in the form of husbands, wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, or life partners. Additionally, they may tend to have an abundance of daughters in their lives. The moon embodies femininity, and as such, it is associated with the feminine energy of the planet. Those adorned with the crescent moon are often blessed with the gift of wonderful daughters and receive respect and support from society and their children. That concludes today's video. Please take a moment to comment below and share if you possess a sign resembling this. If you have any questions or require further clarification regarding its significance, please feel free to ask in the comments.